We've got Saturday morning, just doing some side boxes. So we've got John Deere ones here. Just done the shelves and the bracket to go onto the step. We've got the shelf done for the 7 to 8 vent box. Done some go-kart bits. Go-kart stand this morning and yesterday. Set upright kart stand. So they're done, ready for powder coating. And now we've got to do the back sections for these side boxes. Hopefully the press doesn't mess up again. Had a bit of problem with it the last few days. Got a few bits to do. Not that one. This is the John Deere one. I'll try and get them to the measurements. I'm not the best on the press, but we get some stuff done. So yeah, I've got those backs for the 7 to 8 and then those backs for the John Deere box. And then they're ready for Paddy Monday morning or afternoon, whenever he's getting around to doing them.
Yeah.
Welcome back, Monday morning. Today, I'm just going to get this cleared out. Swept up, hoovered up, blown down. Because we've got to make a start on the side boxes. So I'm going to get the John Deere doors painted. So they can hang up here. Then I'm ready to get the boxes built up. So we'll take you through the process of building up the boxes and what we've got to do to get them right. And then they'll be coming in to be painted. So let's have a look at that. We've got everything in the spray booth now. These are the John Deere side box doors. So I'm just warming them up. And we'll get some paint on them so they can then sit and dry. And I'll start building up the boxes. So I'll have to get my overalls back on. Back in the workshop. Right, I've just got the doors all done for the John Deere side boxes. So that's the next thing I've got to be doing. So I'm just going to get sorted out in here, tidied up, and then overalls on, and go put some side boxes together. So the doors have had a good coat. Now I'm going to start the side boxes. We'll start with the John Deere ones, being I've painted the doors this morning. Been a while since I've had my overalls on. Nice to get back to it, do a bit more. Mike's just cutting out some bits for reskinning combat on throat. So needs a new flooring, so we're just going to cut that out, redo that. That's got all the John Deere side boxes welded up. So DA them Thursday. They're the brackets to bolt it down. So we'll put them on the pallet. Mike's got another trailer in to do another sheet. So nicely finished up. Ready for LAMMA tomorrow. And have a look round. So back to work today. Day at LAMMA yesterday. Good to have a look round. Well, this morning's plan. Back in the spray booth. Make a start with these John Deere boxes, get them DA'd, hung up, painted. Paddy's now doing the 7 to 8 boxes, so we'll have a look at that. So another tire sheet on. Paddy's welding the 7 to 8 boxes up, Gen 7 ones. So once Mark's got the trailer done, gotta get the New Holland in and drill. There's a bracket somewhere on the back. Mark will probably show you. But there's a bracket on the back that needs welding somewhere. I've not seen it, but not as easy as we thought. Thought it was just a crack to weld up, so they've left it with us. We'll get it in now, get it done. And John Deere and the AVR in. So we've got some stainless hoods to put on it, or reskin it with the stainless. Like this side, where it's worn through. So we're putting new ones on both sides. I think it could be having a Sidebox on. So I best go get them done. Let's got all the boxes in. So boxes are in. I'm just going to get some paint on these, and then at least I'll be ready to build up next week. So these are all the brackets. There are all the brackets. I'm just going to bolt the boxes down. So they'll go in that little slot there, and then bolt to the front, somewhere in front of the John Deere. Be nice and secure. Then you're not just relying on them 2 bolts at the back. Right, let's get on with these. Primer's all on. All dried off nicely. So now I'm going to make a start on the top coat. So hopefully get these done today and out of here tomorrow. John Deere box is all done. Just got them done just before home time. Clean spray gun out. Ready for tomorrow.
Got this drill in. So as you can see, the drill goes down this end a lot more, this right hand side a lot more than the left hand side. So I've got to cut this bracket, which is 10mm difference to the other one, just holding the ram. You can see that one in there, holding the ram. Got to cut that one, reposition it so it's sitting pretty level with each other.
Friday morning, just pulled all these out of the spray booth. So I'll leave these out here for a bit. Sweep up, hoover up, clean down. Paddy's got the 7 to 8 boxes nearly done. So we'll bring them in, start cleaning them down. Got enough racks to hang them. Just waiting for a bit more paint from Witham. So waiting for some Fent grey, and then we can get them done. So just come out on a breakdown. Just got to think I've got to come and cut some pins out of some rams on a trailer. So we'll have a look when I get down here. Just heading down to the farm now. I think they're going to reseal the rams themselves, so it's only a case of cutting the pins out, getting the rams off, putting them on a pallet for them, and go from there. Hopefully, nice easy job. Famous last words, I know. So that's the pin I've got to get out. It's got a slight bend in it, but I'm going to see if I can warm it, turn it and knock the pin out so I don't have to cut it. Yeah. Give it a go anyway. Well, that was about half an hour, 40 minutes. Pin's out. Just a bit seized in it. Warmed it out, thrashed it out. They're going to get a new pin anyway. So just took the burr off the end. Tidy up now. Back to the yard.
Got this AVR in for some repairs. Got to make a new stainless hood, inner skin for in here. Got repair where it's gone through. You can see, can't see it on this side, but you can see on the other side the hood. Yeah, it's all worn through. Got to repair all that.
and then put the stainless steel plates to cut them, folded them already. That's the old one. You've got 2 new ones, 3mm about in there. Drawn them, cut them out, press them, ready to fit.
So, got back from breakdown. Paddy's got his boxes done. So I'll start cleaning them down Monday. They'll have nicely gone off. Just got the spray booth swept out, hoovered out today. Give the fan a little bit of a service as well, just grease the bearings. So just sorting the last few bits out, get locked up for the night. And that'll be it. Call it weekend. So as you just seen, Mike's doing the AVR. New stainless plates. Just patching up these little holes here. Then we get the stainless pot on them. Then ready for the start of the season. At least we'll be able to get a box on here while it's in here. So just pick up them 2 holes there. And then mount somewhere down here. I think there's going to be a pipe clamp that mounts around that. Yeah, so that'll be good. A little bit coming next week. We've got to go out, have a bit of a measure up on a 9RX. Something that's coming soon. But we'll tell you more about that when we start building whatever it is we're building. Right, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Comment as well. Tell us what you want to see. And we'll see you next week.